Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. So for today's recipe, we got a little bit of M.I. Cricket letter I, cricket letter I, humpback I, Mississippi pride going on today. I ain't from Mississippi, but this recipe makes me want to go. So can y'all guess what we're making today? Mississippi pot roast. Let's get into these ingredients, y'all. It's gonna be quick, simple, to the point. And as always, we're gonna let the crock pot do the work. Let's get into today's recipe. So y'all, for today's recipe, we have a bottom round roast. You could also use a chuck roast. We have ranch and au jus seasoning. We have the garlic and herb butter from Kerrygold. We got some pepperoncini, some salt, some pepper, and some parsley. And of course, our crock pot that we've already set on high. So like I said, we're gonna set it and forget it. So let's drop this meat in, drop these seasonings, and let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so we have our meat in our crock pot. We're gonna go ahead and take our seasonings. Let's take our ranch packet. Dump that over it. We're gonna take our au jus, good already. We're gonna take some black pepper. We're gonna take some parsley. We're gonna take a little bit of salt. Not too much, because them peppers, the pepperoncinis, they're gonna give us a little salty flavor. So we're gonna take, a little bit of that juice is fine. We're gonna take probably about half of it. Throw them in there. Let's put those around. Okay. And we're going to take our butter. We go ahead and slice them. And we're going to place that around our meat. Alright, y'all. So this is what it's looking like in the crock pot. We're going to let this cook on high for about 3.5 hours. And we'll be back to check on it. Alright, y'all. It's been about 3.5 hours. That's what our meat is looking like. So hot you can't even see the meat. I'll go ahead and turn this off and let it cool down a minute. So yeah, that's it for today's recipe. You can pair this with some cornbread, mashed potatoes, or just eat it by itself. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, it's another episode of MK's Kitchen. See you later, guys. Bye.